In some situations, you might not be able to reconnect your degrees of freedom to your Wi-Fi network, or even encounter other issues. In these situations, it might be best to reset your unit to factory defaults. To do this, press and hold the main button continuously for about 30 seconds. You'll encounter the first button beep, which indicates that the unit has collected a reading, a second button beep, indicating that the unit is willing to shut down, and a third button beep indicating that the unit is willing to go into Wi-Fi reset mode. Keep holding the button through this all, and eventually you'll see the top LED turn blue, followed by the middle LED, and the unit will start beeping once, beeping twice, and the third LED will turn blue. At this point, release the button, and the unit will go into reset mode. If you hold the button for too short or too long, the unit will not enter reset mode and will go back to normal operations. You can attempt reset again within about 10 or 15 seconds. Once the unit has begun to power back on, you'll see the normal sequence of lights, resulting in the bottom Wi-Fi light turning and staying blue. This indicates that the unit has gone into Wi-Fi setup mode and is broadcasting its own hotspot. At this point, you can connect to the unit's Wi-Fi network, which is Rewire Setup, from your laptop or other mobile device, using the password RewireNeuro. In your browser, you'll navigate to rewiresetup.com, where you can select the Wi-Fi network that you'd like to connect to and enter your Wi-Fi credentials. During this process, your mobile device is connected directly to your Degrees of Freedom unit, and so distance from the device may slow down your connection. On this page, you can enter the Wi-Fi password and repeat it, and select the account that you've connected your unit to previously. This will ensure that it connects to the same settings that you had initially set. Your browser will lose its connection to the unit as the unit incorporates the new Wi-Fi passwords, and you'll see this on your mobile device when your browser fails to load. That's okay because your unit's turned off and it stopped broadcasting its Wi-Fi network. Once your Degrees of Freedom unit reboots, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network that you just indicated. Your unit will go through its boot process, and you'll see all the LEDs turn green. If the bottom LED does not turn green, it means that a Wi-Fi connection couldn't be established, and you may need to try this process one more time.